Chants like this are as old as Kiribati itself. In this way, the lessons of history and genealogy are passed down. Every maniaba is a rich storehouse of unique stories. This place was once the home of a great warrior ancestor, Kourabi. His bones were kept in a casket in the ceiling. One night, Kourabi appeared in a dream to a modern-day descendant and asked to be shifted to a smaller maniaba because he felt unsafe. A few days after he was shifted, a big storm wrecked his former home. Dreams and the use of magic are still very important in many aspects of our lives.